You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name. I know many people get it wrong, or at least get confused by it. If you want to learn more correct pronunciations of confusing names, stay tuned. British English pronunciation here. Edward. The R is essentially not pronounced in the UK generally. Edward. Stress on the ed syllable. Edward. Now, if you want to pronounce the R, Edward. That's how the Americans would say it. You can say Eddie. Also, that would be short form Edward. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.